Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your transcription work easier by using a software called Ota to do the transcription work for you, and you're only left with proofreading and ensuring the work is devoid of errors. So we're going to search Temi transcription on your browser, yeah, and select the first link. Okay, so Temi allows you to create an account. It gives you a free trial once for only one audio. So what I'm going to show you a trick that is going to help you not to avoid the cost of paying for their premium. So you're going to select the audio. So you're first going to download the audio from your transcription site and upload it on Temi. It has a limit of 45 minutes for the free version. So ensure that the work you're uploading is 45 minutes or less. So after uploading the audio, because you've already heard it, you're going to tick you're going to tick and explain how your audio is, the quality, the number of speakers, and the accents, and press proceed. So when you get to the email, we're going to use a temporary mail generator to generate fake mails where you're going to receive your transcription work instead of having to create a new email every time you want to use Temi. So we're going to select. My personal favorite is called email on deck because it's easier to generate the fake mails uh, frequently. Okay, so this is the email on deck site. It's my personal favorite. So it has two steps for generating the fake mails. First, you have to verify that you're not a robot by just doing the simple human test. And step 2, you just get your email. They've already generated it for you, so you're going to just copy it and paste it on the Temi site. So Temi has a fast turnaround time of 5 minutes on the higher side. So so your work is going to be sent to this temporary mail site. So please don't leave it. Don't close that tab. You see, as you can see, that Temi has already sent us invite message on a fakely on a temporary email, and I'm confident that a few minutes or seconds later they're going to send us our transcribed audio so that we can proofread it and send it or paste it on our transcription sites, whichever one you use, and save you on the hassle of typing. Yeah, as you can see, our order is already ready, so you can just click it there at that site, at that email, and click view transcript. So it's going to redirect you to the Temi site, so you can just type in any password, useless thing you want to type, because you won't need that password anyway. So yeah, this is our transcribed work, so you can download it to a Word format. So let me shut off my Chrome downloaders. Yeah, so you just download it. You can either choose to download it with speaker names, or just as a one texted or just without speaker names, which I prefer, because computers aren't good at identifying speakers. So that's it, folks. I've already downloaded it in Word format, so I can open it using my word processor and proofread it, and yeah, use it however I like. My word processor is loading a bit, please bear with me. Yeah, there we have it. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips on how to make your online endeavors easier. And like and subscribe, comment, and ask me in the comments whatever else video, anything else you want to know, and I'll be happy to show you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe.